Several employees in Manipur government departments hold scheduled tribes ST certificates, listing tribes not recognized in state's official parliament-approved list. An RTI investigation has revealed that queries filed with over 24 departments have prompted responses from 13 so far, exposing irregularities. One department has launched an internal probe to weed out invalid certificates after identifying employees with ST documents mentioning unrecognized tribes. Manipur recognizes 34 scheduled tribes, including any Kuki tribes, as a single entry. The most recent addition, Mate, was included in 2012. The probe began with an RTI filed on April 11, 2025, to the Department of Personnel and Administrative Reforms Personnel Division, seeking data on ST certificate issuance, verification and employee numbers from any Kuki tribes and Thado communities. The initial May 5 response, no record of the information, sparked an appeal on May 30, citing the department's nodal role under Article 166 Rules for Service Matters. On June 24, the Personnel Department forwarded the RTI to over 40 administrative secretaries under Section 6, Clause 3 of the RTI Act 2005, directing direct replies to the applicant within 5 days. 13 departments providing data include Manipur State Power Distribution Company Limited, Ukrul, Ayush, Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution, Water Resources, Finance, Fisheries, Manipur State Power Company Limited, Transport, Handloom and Textile, Agriculture, Family Welfare, Municipal Administration, Housing and Urban Development, and Horticulture. This development raises serious questions about verification processes amid ongoing ethnic sensitivities in the state.